talk about the turbo kit. So the turbo itself is actually a genuine Borg Warner. It's a 7582, so it's a 75 compressor with an 80. It's either 82 or 83, I can't remember. Turbine. It's a T4 turbine housing. The hot side itself is stock truck manifolds, flipped. You cut the flange, you cut the collector flange off. I welded a V-band on it. It's got 2 V-bands. And I made the whole hot side. The hot side is 2 1/4 piping, mild steel, if you believe it. I really wanted to build a stainless hot side, but that shit cost money, and I was fucking poor, so that pretty much rounds that up. The turbo we bought used, Phoenix Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace out of Phoenix. It was $500 flat, so I feel like it was a good deal. Works good. Hey. So turbo kit. Oh, waste gates. So China gates, straight out of AliExpress, baby. I ain't fucking paying no $380 goddamn dollars per gate for a fucking real tile gate. Not happening. So China gates, it's twin gated, 38 millimeter gates. It is the turbine housing is fully divided. I did build a fully divided hot side, so one bank of cylinders feeds one scroll, and the other bank of the turbos, or I'm sorry, other bank of the cylinders feeds the other scroll. The waste gates recirc into the up pipe or hood dump, whichever you want to call it. And that's about it. It's all mild steel, with the exception of a couple elbows and stuff I had laying around. And we've been on this for like 3 years now. This is the 4th year it's been together, I want to say. And I had one crack. I had a crack in the collector that I made. But other than that, it's been great. So mild steel for the win, I guess. They're not wrapped. They're not heat wrapped at all. I know if you heat wrap stuff, it actually significantly shortens the lifespan of your tubing, stainless or not, doesn't matter. So what else we got? Moving away from the turbo kit, the intake elbow is 3D printed. We run a giant paper air filter. I'm a huge fan of paper air filters for out here in the dunes. Not a fan of oiled filters or anything that looks like a K&N filter. Throw it away if you want it to work out here. So paper filters save lives, man. I can't say enough good things about paper air filters. What else? Intercooler. Biggest 4-inch intercooler you can find on eBay. And then I just made the cold side. Cold side's also, that's 3-inch tubing. Cheapest thing you can find on eBay and / AliExpress. It doesn't really matter. Just find the kit. I chopped everything up and made it fit. Oh, so the clamps. All the clamps on the cold side are all like Wiggins style clamps. I fucking hate silicone clamps. They suck. Silicone couplers and all that shit, I hate it all. So these are like a Wiggins clamp that clamps the whole thing together. There's no leaks, man. They don't blow up. They don't deteriorate. It's great. The only problem is that unlike a Wiggins clamp that has some articulation, these style clamps don't move at all. So it's basically rigid for all intents and purposes. I don't really like it, and it's a pain in the ass, but it seals and hasn't given me any problems. So fantastic.